What happens when machines don't just assist us, but begin to outpace us in every domain? This is the vision of the technological singularity, a future point where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence so radically that it reshapes civilization beyond recognition. For some, it is a promise of limitless progress. For others, a profound existential risk. But above all, it is a question. What does it mean to be human in a world where intelligence itself is no longer our unique gift? The story begins with exponential growth. Human progress has never been linear. From fire to agriculture, from the printing press to the internet, each breakthrough accelerated the pace of change. But now, with AI, biotechnology, and quantum computing advancing in parallel, the curve is bending sharply upwards. The doubling times for knowledge and computational capacity are shrinking. What once took centuries now happens in years, and soon, perhaps in months. Imagine intelligence as a ladder. For millennia, we stood alone on the top rung, using our minds to bend nature to our will. But AI is climbing, faster than any species before. At first it mimics us, then it assists us, then it begins to innovate in ways we cannot fully comprehend. The singularity is the moment when the ladder itself breaks, when the trajectory of intelligence escapes human control. Yet this is not simply about machines, it is about us. Every technology reflects human choices. Will AI be aligned with our values, or will it pursue goals indifferent, or even hostile, to human flourishing? The singularity forces us to face deep philosophical questions about control, identity, and destiny. Consider medicine. Already, AI helps design drugs, predict diseases, and personalize treatments. But a superintelligent system could decode the language of biology itself, solving aging, reversing genetic flaws, or regenerating entire organs. Imagine a world where the boundaries of life and death are redrawn. Consider creativity. Today, we marvel at machines that compose symphonies or paint in the style of masters. But the singularity suggests a future where creativity is no longer exclusively human, where machines generate beauty, meaning, and insight at a pace we can barely follow. Do we lose something essential? Or do we gain an endless new canvas on which to co-create? And then, there is governance. If intelligence becomes distributed, faster, and more capable than any human institution, how do we govern it? Nations race towards AI supremacy, not only for economic advantage, but for power. The singularity could unify humanity, or fracture it. Politics, ethics, and technology are no longer separate domains. They converge in this singular moment. The year 2045 is often cited, popularized by futurist Ray Kurzweil, as the date when the singularity might occur. Whether or not the timeline is correct, the concept remains a compass pointing towards a profound transformation. The precise date matters less than the trajectory. We are accelerating into an era where the pace of change itself outpaces human adaptation. And yet, amidst the uncertainty, there is inspiration. The singularity is not only a story of risk, it is a story of possibility. It is the recognition that intelligence, wherever it arises, is the most powerful force in the universe. And if we can align it with wisdom, compassion, and curiosity, the future could unfold in ways as breathtaking as any dream of science fiction. Perhaps the singularity is not the end of humanity, but the beginning of something greater. A merging of human and artificial intelligence, a partnership that extends our reach to the stars, deepens our understanding of consciousness, and reshapes what it means to be alive. So the question remains, will the singularity be a rupture or a rebirth? The answer will not be written by machines alone. It will be written by the choices we make today. How we guide technology, how we define values, how we prepare for a future rushing towards us faster than ever before. And perhaps, in that reflection, lies the true essence of being human. Not to predict the future, but to create it. Subscribe for more explorations into the ideas shaping our tomorrow. Leave a comment with your vision. Is the singularity humanity's greatest danger, or its greatest chance to evolve?